Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Now it's recording. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we have a compression over here and we have a tension over here. But in case if we have a cantilever beam, so in case of a cantilever beam, are you able to see me, everyone?
Yes.
In case of a cantilever beam, for example, if see my hand over here, my hand is fixed support now. I holded my hand down also and up also. I holded my hand up also and down also. Now see how it is behaving. See how the beam is behaving. It is behaving like this, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? This shape is called as hogging. This shape is called as hogging. But if I consider simply supported, see my hand now. See my hand. See my hand. Two supports are here. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
This
Yes.
tension will be at the bottom and compression will be at the top. This is simply supported. But if I try to consider as fixed, if I try to listen to my see my hands carefully. So if I try to take a book like this, see my hand, I have put down also and up also, here down and up both. Okay, so it's behaving like this. In the simply supported case, see my hand, see my hand. I have not taken, I have not provided support up, correct? Only like this, only like this. Yes or no? No movement is there. Yeah, yeah. Everyone, see my hand.
Yes.
It's both are below. I mean, I have not kept like this, correct? Yes or no? Both are hand like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is hogging. I mean, this is sagging. This is called a sagging for simply supported beam. But I'll give you another scenario now. So if you go here, so if it is cantilever beam, how this will bend? This will try to bend like this.
Opposite.
In
Opposite
the
of supported beam.
yes, this is so. This is called as basically technically. This is called as sagging bending moment, and this type is called as hogging bending moment. Hogging bending moment. So in this case, if it is a hogging bending moment, and if you want to design it as a singly reinforced one, then the main reinforcement will come at the top. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we are
Mister.
with you.
Yes.
Can you just ask Mahmoud Ali to mute himself?
Okay,
Because he's making noise.
okay. Where is Muhammad Ali now? Uh,
Mahmoud, not Muhammad.
Mahmoud. Okay, fine. So here the tension will be at the top, compression will be at the bottom. That means when you're designing, you have to design for that. If it is singly reinforced, the formulas, everything will remain the same, but you have to the main bars you're designing for at the top, because there the concrete is weak in tension, so you're providing a steel reinforcement. But on the other side, if it is cantilever, here you provide hanger bars, so that then later you can join this. I mean, if you can join this like this with use a stirrup. Yeah, everyone fine? Everyone okay?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now okay, this is what we have studied, like theory wise we have studied something simple and cantilever. So like practically, let us do practically how it works. Okay, so if I take this as a practical one, if I'll remove this. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll try to remove this. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll provide a fixed support over here. Instead of simply supported, I am giving a fixed support to both the directions. Here I am giving fixed support, fixed support, fixed support. Okay. Now what happens? How the bending will look like? Everyone just, you can see me now. Yeah. So we have a beam. It's initially simple support. Initially simple support. So it is behaving like this. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll provide fixity. Fixity means see my hand here and see my hand here. Okay. Now, if I try to do like this, can you see some change in the shape? Can you see some change in the shape? Can you see some change in the shape?
No, no, mister. Only shape the down.
Little bit. See the sides. See the sides. Because the book is very this thing. If I give a support here on the top, okay, and on the below, because the fixed support there is a moment, so it will try to behave like this. There is down also, and it will behave like this. See, it will behave. Let me show you like this. So it will behave like this. Like this, it will go down, and it will behave like this. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. We are with
Behave
you.
like what?
See, if I try to do this, this support will try to make, see my top hand. It will try to behave, make it like this. Initially, because of the load, it is bending, but because of the support at the end, can you see now? Can you see now?
Yes.
Almost.
How is the shape? See at the top, see on the right, left side and right side.
Mister, you mean from both sides there will be no change, only on the center? It
No,
will
see,
like react
I'm applying a
downward.
rotation. See my hand. See my hand. See my hand. I'm applying a rotation. Rotation. Can you see rotation? Rotation. Movement is there. See how it is behaving. Rotation. See my hand. I am rotating. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, you make a rotation.
Can you see this shape? How it is?
Yes. Wavy shape.
Yes.
Yeah. See here. If I try to rotate, how it is?
Okay.
But if I keep it simple support, there will be no movement. Correct. Simple support, there will be no movement. It is like this. It is simple. It is like this. It is, I mean, it is like this. Correct. Yes or no? If it is simple
Good.
support.
Yes.
But if I try to give a fixed support, what is happening over here? It is going like this, but also
Some rotation will be.
yeah. At the supports, there is compression also. I mean, the hogging bending moment has been generated. Can you see both sides? See both side of my hand.
Yes.
I am up. See my rotation. What is this rotation? Basically, restraints. The moment fixed support will have three these things. Correct? Yes or no? Three reactions. Fixed support. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Fixed.
Okay.
Yes. Three reaction.
Yes. So basically over here, there is a moment, there is a rotation which I showed you because of the hand. So if I go practically, if I try to go practically, I have to give the main reinforcements over here. That is the tension. This will be the tension zone. This will be under tension zone. If you see over here, this will be under tension zone, and this part will be under compression zone or the hogging bending moment. Right? Fine, everyone? Yes, fine, everyone? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, clear, sir. Clear.
Yeah, just one sir is. So here, this part, this is at the top part. So I have to give a reinforcement here. Okay. This part, I have to give a reinforcement here. These are the major areas of major governing areas. Basically, I can say these are the major governing areas for, for the I mean, the cracks will start from here, or the cracks will start from here, the cracks would start from here. So in order to avoid these cracks, you are giving reinforcements in this particular region and this particular region. But practically, we cannot give only this much. Practically, we cannot give only this much. What happens? The laborers will try to extend this bar. You're getting my point? You're getting my point, everyone? Yeah? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. If you see over here, there is more reinforcement over here. There is more reinforcement on the top. That's the reason here you're giving more reinforcement. Here you're giving more reinforcement, and down, if you see, can you see here down? Down? More reinforcement is down because there is movement over here. The tension moment has been generated. You're getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So okay. Actually, there is one workshop. Okay. Now one sir is telling me to join. Can we join there, everyone? I'll send you one link. There is a CIOB workshop, and then can we come back at 5 o'clock, everyone? Is it
Which
fine?
kind of workshop?
It's already started, basically.
Which kind
Workshop of what,
workshop?
sir?
Chartered engineer.
What, sir?
It's
I
a
can't hear.
chartered engineer, CIOB.
Okay, can you send the link of the workshop?
Okay,
Yeah.
just let me share.
Okay.
Can we join here, everyone? I've sent you the link. Okay. Let's meet at 5. Is it fine, everyone? I'll
Yeah,
stop the
very
recording and we'll continue the same. We'll continue in the same